Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is the King's Tutor. Okay, if it's the first time of joining us, thank you very much and welcome to the King's Tutor. Please like, comment, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support so far. Okay, now we want to see a question that relates to subscription account in account for non-profit making organization. Okay, now the question reads thus. It said ABC Social Club receipt and payment account for the year 31st December 2020. So this is the receipt they have and the payments. Okay, and this is the additional information. We have land and building whereby we have two dates: the 1st January 2020 and the 1st December 2020. Okay, the land and building is 64,000 and they have nothing for the end of the year. Rent owing 120 and we have nothing. Subscription in arrears 900 at the beginning and 12 at the end. Subscription received in advance 400 at the beginning and 600 at the end. Now required, they say prepare the subscription account. Okay. Now the subscription is a monthly contribution made by members of a club. Okay, this is normally used in a non-profit making organization. And besides, if you have not seen my video in non-profit making organization, check in the link below this video in my YouTube channel. Okay, to see that. Okay, now let's solve this. The same we should prepare a subscription account. Now, as I said earlier on, we have solution. As I said earlier on, subscription is an income to a club. Okay, a social club. So members pay in their monthly contribution. Okay, as a result of being a member of a particular club. Now this subscription, most time members owe. Some pay in advance and some owe for previous years. So giving us this for us to prepare the subscription account. And the first thing you have to know, subscription is an income to the club. And we know income have a credit balance. Only income has what? A credit balance. Remember in the trial balance, whereby I will say you debit assets, all assets should be debited, and you credit liabilities, you credit income, and you debit expenses. So income has what? A credit balance, and subscription is what? An income. So we will have subscription account. That is what they ask us to prepare. Now, the first thing we have to do here now, if you notice, the receipt and payment was prepared 31st December. Now, we have two dates here, the 1st and 2nd. The first one is the beginning, while the last one is at the end. Now, remember, this subscription account is to be prepared to get the value that will be posted to the income and expenditure account. The income and expenditure is prepared at the end, 31st. Okay. Now, if that is the case, it means the one at the first is the balance that was brought forward. Okay. Now we have subscription in arrears here and subscription received in advance. And we also have subscription here. So we have two dates. How do we prepare this? Don't panic. Now the first thing you have to do, post the one at the beginning as the balance brought forward. Now, since we have subscription in arrears 900 and subscription received in advance 400. Now, I said in my previous video while I was treating adjustment, I said whenever you have arrears owing or advance and prepayment. For arrears, if it is for the current year, you're supposed to add it. Okay? Add it. And for advance, if it's for the current year, it's supposed to be less. Now, the current year we're talking about now is the year in which this subscription account is supposed to be prepared and posted. What is at the end? That is 31st. So it means subscription in arrears for the 31st one, we are supposed to add this. While subscription received in advance for the 31st also, we are supposed to less this. Okay? Now, how do we treat this one? Now, for the current one, which is 31st, if we have to add this and less this, it means that the reverse of what we are supposed to do here, that is what is supposed to be done to the opening balance. Take note. The reverse of what we're supposed to do for the latter years, that is what we'll do for the opening balance. So we said for the arrears, now we have our base to be added, and for advance we have to less this. Okay, I will advise you check in my YouTube channel to see my video on adjustment. It will give you what knowledge on that adjustment. Okay, I will drop the link in this video. Now, from this now, we want to post the opening balance, and it says subscription in arrears 900 and subscription received in advance 400. So if we are supposed to add this for 31st, and in advance we are supposed to less this, it means for the opening balance, if we are adding this, we have to less this. Okay, as we are doing opposite of what we are supposed to do in this, and if we are lessing this for the opening balance, we'll add this. Okay, so let's post now. Subscription in arrears 900. It means if we are adding this, we'll less this. Now take note. I said the subscription account is an income account, and income is supposed to have the credit balance. So it means that all items that will be posted at the credit side of this account is what adds to the account. One item posted at the debit side is what reduces the account. So since we are lessening this now, subscription in arrears at the beginning, it means that balance brought forward. So it will be balance brought forward 900. 900. That's subscription in arrears. The same way, subscription received in advance. If we are to less this for 31st, it means the reverse will be done for the opening balance. It means we have to add this. And to add this, we post to the credit side. So also balance brought forward 400. We have posted that. And the next thing we have to look now, we received and payment, we have subscription account here. It means members paid subscription, and it was recorded as receipt in receipt and payment. And the corresponding entry we have to do the subscription account as credit. So we have here cash 16,450. Okay, now is this last part now. We have subscription in arrears and subscription received in advance again. Posting this. I told you for arrears now, for this 31st, in which this account is prepared, we are supposed to add all arrears is added, owed, accrued, unpaid. While advance prepayment is supposed to be less. So we add this, and to add this now, I told you it will be towards the credit side, while to less is this side. So it will now be our balance carried down. So we have balance carried down, that's the recent balance, 1,200. And also we have balance carried down. This one I received in advance, we are lessing it 600. Okay, so these two is supposed to have the same balance. So we are going to add this. Now the balancing figure will give us what is posted to the what income and expenditure account. So income and expenditure is the reason for preparing this. Okay, so let's add up 400 plus 16,450 plus 1, 2. So if we do that, 400 plus 16,450 plus 1,200, we have 18,050. So these two is supposed to be the same, 18,050. But we have to add this and deduct it from this. So 900 plus 600 will give us 15. So 18,000 minus 15. We have 16,550. Okay, so our opening balance here, balance brought down is 1, 2. Okay, while balance carried down here, we brought down here as 600. Okay, so that is our balance. So the income and expenditure account, which serves as a balancing figure, is what goes to the income and expenditure account. While this balance is what goes to what? The balance sheet. Okay, so that is how to prepare subscription account whenever you're asked to, or whenever you see it in the non-profit making organization. Okay, so thank you for joining us. If it's the first time, please click on the subscribe button, like, comment, share our video. Let's ensure we reach more students. Please ensure you like this video. That's how to encourage me to do more and to post more content. Thank you very much.